Okay, so this is doing the math for, we're looking at the 0.5 milliliters of Solgar vitamin E, and so we know that 0.5 milliliters is 0.37 grams. To get that to a 1 gram common measure, we multiply by 2.7, that gives us 1.35 milliliters. So we say 1.35 milliliters is our common measure. Honestly, I just don't even really use this as much. I end up using the grams more, so I'll show you how I put that into practice. But we know this is equal to 1 gram of the Solgar vitamin E, and I'm going to call that Solgar Vit E here. And I'm not going to worry about the calories or whatever right now. We're just going to look at the vitamin E to make sure that we're doing that properly. So we know that Solgar lists their vitamin E as D-alpha, so that's what we're going to put this in. And so 0.5 milliliters is 150 IU, right? So we multiply that by 2.7, and that gives us 405 IU. So that's saying that we know that there's 405 IU in 1 gram, which would also 405 IU in 1.35 milliliters if you were to measure volume. So now that we've got this here, we know that it's as D-alpha tocopherol. Then we save and close. And what we want to do next, so I'm just going to kind of proof that this works. I've already got one down here, but I'll just start it from the beginning. So we're going to say Solgar vitamin E recipe, and we'll say it's for Susie. And Solgar vitamin E recipe, we're going to do recipe balancer. And we'll do our food search for Solgar Vit E. This is the one that we added, and so we know like 100 grams is going to be a ton of vitamin E. We go down to 1 gram. We know that's going to be a lot. We go down to 0.37 grams, and we still know that's going to be a lot. That's probably close to 150 IU, at least for my dog, based on how much vitamin E I know she needs. So it's a really easy way to kind of do an integrity check for this in addition. So and hopefully you understand how I got here. So I put in my common measures as 1 gram, but really you're only going to be feeding the 0.5 milliliter, which is really 0.37 grams as written on your label. So we've got this recipe in here, so now we can go and make a report on it. So under reports, recipe nutrient report, select Susie, select this Solgar vitamin E recipe as fed. We know it's 0.37 grams because that's how much vitamin E we did. And we scroll down here to vitamin E, and as D-alpha, we see just about 150 IU. So that's how we know we did it right. So if you're still seeing issues with it, you might just want to completely recreate the food and maybe just try and make a test recipe like I did here and create this report just so you know that that vitamin E is reporting properly. Hope this helps.